Whoa.
Steven! I thought you were dead!
Would you like to wear this as a hat?
Oh no!
Shark, you hungry?
Oh, I said no. Hey. Hello. Mila! Mila! Hey. No! No! Wait.
Спасибо, моя кисть.
Hello? Where did he go?
О, ты тут, здорово.
No, boy. Ew, ew. Kitty, are you dead? What are you doing?
Yeah, so kind of hard to.
Okay. No.
What?
Oh my god. Say yeah! Stop, you're scaring me. You cannot have an entire loaf of
Yep.
Pounce, pounce, pounce. Yes! Boom!
Не надо. Ах ты.
lagi begitu tuh foto.
To sit like that.
What's up? Oh my god.
Meow, 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 ow!
Oh shit.
Oh my god, he's so good. Oh no, are you stuck in the... Oh, good job.
No, no, no. Look, look.
Help, help, help! Alicia! Ah!
You like it? What? Did you just pull your fist?
Switch. Otherwise, you're just gonna have enough height.
Why do you...
Your demise.
Monument in 1909 to save the declining Earth.
This one's mean as fuck.
She was a fairy. Wow, wow, this is just, wow.
What are you doing? Oh no.
You get out.
Why'd you bite me? Don't do it. Don't do it.
Hey!
Alright, bro. My boy.
Come on.
Honey, tap. No!
Info.
I was recording my cat's reaction to my mum brushing her teeth.
Fucking relax. Thank you.
What are you doing? Oh no.
Normalize you not touching my charger.
¿Quieres comida, Ahora te la traigo.
This is Jude peeing in my puzzle.
This filter tells you if your cat is an angel or a devil.
It's been fixed temporarily, but it's not a permanent solution. Oh.
My name is Jen. Excuse me? Excuse me? George!
Why do you do this?